Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn how to install Bootstrap in Rails 6 application using Webpacker and Yarn. So let's get started. The first thing I want to show is the version. So the version of Ruby I'm using is version 2.7.1. Similarly, the Node version I'm using is version 12.16.0, and I have Yarn installed, and the version for Yarn is version this 1.21.1. Alright, now let's create a fresh new application. Rails, and the version of Rails I want to use is version 6.0.3.3. Alright, let's name this bootstrap underscore demo. So this will create a fresh new Rails application for us. Now our project has been created. Now we can go inside our project directory. Then after let's open this in our code editor, which is VS Code in this case. Here you can see this file package.json file. So we'll be modifying this package.json file. Right now we'll be working on installing Bootstrap in our application. So the command is yarn add bootstrap @ the version. So the version of Bootstrap we'll be using is version 4.3.1. Alright, then after we'll also be adding jQuery and popper.js, popper.js. Alright, press enter. Now here you can see our package.json should be updated with our Bootstrap, jQuery, and then after popper.js. Alright, this is the first step. Now let's move on to the second step. So that was our first step. Now for second step we need to go to environment.js file, and we need to add this line of code, save it. Alright, I will add all these steps in the description, so you can follow my description for configuring Bootstrap. Alright, now for third step we need to go to application.css file. Then after we need to rename this from CSS to SCSS. Rename it .scss. Then after we need to add this one single line here for Bootstrap. Save it. Alright, so we have added this one line here, require Bootstrap. Now for fourth step we need to go to application.js file, and we need to import Bootstrap here. Import, and then after Bootstrap. Save it. Now we'll be generating one scaffold. Rails generate scaffold articles. The fields will be title will be string, then after content will be text. Alright, now we need to run Rails db migrate. Now finally we can run our server Rails. Yes, go to localhost 3000 articles, then after new. So it should be articles, not article. Now in order to check, we can simply go to we can do quick Google search, Jumbotron on Bootstrap. Then after we will be copying these codes, and then after let's add it under form parcel. Paste it here. So we have added this Bootstrap Jumbotron code in our form. So we can simply refresh this page. So here you can see our Bootstrap has been added. Alright, so that is how we install Bootstrap in Rails 6 application using Webpacker and Yarn. So that was for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in next video.